Tired of messy and inconsistent numbers ruining your Docusign forms? This video will show you exactly how to create custom number formats in Docusign, guaranteeing consistent and accurate data every single time. Let's get started. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Templates section. Click Create Template to start a new document or select a pre-existing template you want to modify. Now, either upload your document or drag and drop your fields onto the template. We'll focus on a field where you need a specific number format, like this amount field. Select the data field on the right-hand side. You'll see the Properties panel. Scroll down to the Validation section. Change the type to number. This unlocks the number formatting options. You should see a custom number format input box. In this field, you'll enter your custom format, for example, to display currency with 1000 separators and to decimal places. You might enter $#. ## the $sign adds the currency symbol, the hashtag creates 1000 separator, and the O guarantees to decimal places. Or, for a percentage, you might enter 0%. Hit preview to see how your format looks. Success! The document should now display the custom format for your number field. Repeat this process for any other numerical fields requiring specific formatting. Now you can collect consistent data.